Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how we can fix if the Windows Start menu is not working. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Now press the Control plus Shift plus Escape keys on your keyboard to open the Task Manager, or you can directly make a right click at the taskbar and select Task Manager. Now maximize this window and in the search bar type Explorer. You'll find Windows Explorer, make a right click, select Restart, and then close the Task Manager window and wait for all the icons on your taskbar to be back. And after that, you just need to access your Start menu again. Now for the next method is we can also uninstall the latest updates of our Windows. So press the Windows key on your keyboard, click on Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for Windows Update. Scroll down and you'll find Update History. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find Uninstall Updates. And here you'll find all the latest updates on your Windows. So just simply uninstall that. Click on the uninstall button. And after the uninstallation process is successful, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method, we can run our Windows in safe mode and then come back to the normal mode. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type ms config, hit enter. Click on the boot tab. Check this box for safe boot. Click on apply, click on OK, click on yes first, click on OK. Then you have to click on the restart button. And after restarting your Windows, again press the Windows key and letter R button together again. Type msconfig, hit enter. Click on the boot tab and check this box safe boot. Click on apply, click on yes, click on OK, and then click on the restart button. Then we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. On the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. Now here in this block window, type this command sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, hit enter. Now this will begin the system file checker scan or the verification process. So what you can do is while the process is going on, just simply do not close the window and wait for it. This will scan and fix for all system corrupted files. Once this is 100% completed, close this window. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Now for the next method, we can also run the dism command. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type cmd. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now you have to type in here dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. So it's dism space / space forward JSM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health, hit enter. And just wait for the process to be 100% completed. Then you need to close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Now, if still the start button is not accessible during that time with the list of fixes from 1, 2, 3, third solutions, then you just have to press the Windows key and then make a right click on the start button. I mean like on the power button and select restart. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.